Hey guys, hope you all have been well. Welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a get ready with me. We're just hanging out together, doing our thing. Welcome to this background. Sometimes I want to change it up. I really like the convenience of me using like the window setting because everything is on my table, but it's not the prettiest background in my opinion, so we're trying to change it up. Okay, so I'm gonna pull my hair back. I got a sundress on. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. As you can tell, my face is pretty much done already. I just don't feel like I have enough things to talk about where I do the whole face. I've already done a foundation routine, so if you're interested, you know what? I need to make this thing stop swinging because I bet it sounds like a disaster. What was I saying? I don't remember. Was it about the sundress? Ooh, ooh. Oh, I don't have enough things to say to do a full face, so I just do my eyes. Foundation routine is already up on my channel, so you can check it out. So today's theme, we're gonna go back to this MAC palette, and I'm gonna do a poop look. That's what I'm doing. So we might do some of this, and definitely one of these at least. Just turn my eyes to poop. Let's get started. So I'm taking this first poop color, and it's called, these bags are designer. I think I have only one designer bag, the rest I get off of like ASOS. I'm not the kind of person that can take care of, you know, expensive bags. I'm not made for expensive stuff because I don't treat them like they're expensive. My aunt used to work for the duty-free shop here, and that's where they sell all the luxury stuff. When I was younger, she would, you know, get a lot of stuff, and my mom would buy stuff too, and I just never got into it. Guys, I saw the trailer for Mortal Kombat. I think this one's gonna revolve around Scorpion, which is surprising because I thought it was gonna be about, you know, Liu Kang, Johnny Cage, and Sonya Blade again. I don't play video games, but I do recall it because I grew up with my brothers playing it, and I even have the theme song on my iTunes. Mortal Kombat! Just love having poop on my eyes. This is like newborn poop. I think I'm gonna do a matte, all matte look. And sometimes, guys, that's okay. Not everything has to have shimmer. Today is Tuesday. This video I am recording of this merriment is for next week, Wednesday. So yesterday I had uploaded the MAC Eyes, Lips, Cheek combo, and that had pretty good reviews, and I'm very happy because it's a form of MAC content that I can make that's brand new, and so I still have the opportunity to do different videos of that sort, you know. And I was just thinking like, dang, you know, MAC, why don't you just give me your entire line? I can't afford to just buy MAC stuff on a whim for videos, so you might as well just give it to me and I can make the content for you. I mean, I've been rocking MAC since 2006. It's a long time. Just give me a chance, because I'd love to do more MAC content, but you know, my collection is downsized, and so if you want me to do reviews, you know, just ask me for my address. Ooh, I look good. I look shiny. Dang. I didn't even realize that much highlighter. I'm blinding you. By the way, I'm doing laundry, so I kind of have to speed this up because the dryer and the washing machine's going. And I'm being a good daughter, and I'm washing my mama's clothes too. So yesterday, I went to an appointment. I feel like I always tell you guys I'm going to an appointment, and it's true, but it's not like I go a lot throughout the year. I just like to have all my appointments around the same time. So the past month and a half, I've spread out my appointments, you know, lady appointment, and get my blood drawn, and then go back to the doctors to get my reading, my dental appointments, like all of those things, all different sorts of appointments happen around the same time, so that I don't have to worry about it for the rest of the year. So yesterday I had another appointment, and I went to the main hospital. Sometimes I just go to clinics because they're less crowded, and my general doctor is usually at a clinic, and the hospital is where they do the COVID stuff. There's labs, radiology, ultrasound, CT, all of that in the hospital. We got one of those here, one hospital. And so the family center, women's clinic, and there's something else, they're all in this same spot in the hospital, and it's busy sometimes, but yesterday was the busiest I've ever seen it. There's the maximum capacity for right now with COVID is 30 or 35, and I had to wait outside because there were that many people inside already. And I'm freaking out because I'm like, man, am I gonna wait here for 2 hours? Because it happens, you know? So I get inside and I make a quick stop to one of the other departments, and it was like, look, I'm here. There's about 40 people outside. I don't want to have to come back. Can you just like squeeze me in? I just need to get approval to pick something up from the pharmacy. And I'm like crossing my fingers, like, please, just like, I swear it's gonna be like 5 minutes. And they ended up squeezing me in. They were really nice. I was like, thank God. And I actually got all of that done before my actual appointment. So I left at the time I intended to. And one of the ladies that was sitting across from me, she's a bit chatty, so she kept me entertained while I was waiting. I didn't wait that long. My appointment was at 10 in the morning. I got called in at 10:10, which is like amazing, right? Because someone there was already waiting for 45 minutes from a different department. And the lady at the front told him, like, I'm sorry, that's just, we're running late. There's 3 other people in front of you that haven't been called yet. But you know what? Generally, the hospital on a Monday, clinics on a Monday, anything on a Monday, the post office, you gotta go to Western Union. It's gonna be crazy. And my appointment just happened to be on a Monday. First of all, I hate the hospital. Secondly, I'm, worried about COVID, and there's so many people at the hospital where COVID is being screened. But on a good note, the current vaccination here for dose 1 is 10,000, and for the second dose is 8,000. And our population is about 58,000. So I'm crossing my fingers that soon it's going to be open up to general public and I can get my vaccination. Oh, I didn't tell you which my second color was. I used this poop. It's got a little more brown in it, Baby's a little bit more worn in. Uninterrupted is the shade. It's my niece's birthday tomorrow. Well, her Saipan birthday, because we are from the future. So many of you are probably still on Monday. Don't worry, guys. Let me just tell you, I'm from the future. Tuesday will come, and I'm in charge of food. So tomorrow, the menu is red rice, and red rice is a local dish. We put a chote, like chote water. It's a mixture, okay? And then you put bacon in it and you cook it together, and that's what we use as starch, but it's flavored starch. Bacon rice, basically. And I'm making potato salad. I'm gonna marinate the ribs and steak tonight. And then tomorrow, I'm gonna make spaghetti. So everything's gonna be mostly prepared tonight, and then just like cooking tomorrow. And it's just my immediate family. My brother and his family are all the way in New York, but we celebrate birthdays regardless of where you are. So niece is getting a party tomorrow, and Auntie Annabelle has got her covered. When I visited her in New York, she was 3 months old. She's 2, and she is currently the first and only grandchild of the family. So this girl is spoiled. She's so cute. Guys, I think I'm actually good with those eyes. Just a little bit more reserved nowadays. Shut up. Shut your face, Annabelle. One of the nurses at the hospital yesterday, she asked me, she's like, are you the one on LP Beauty? And LP Beauty is the brand that I talk about here. It's a local lash company, and she sells lashes, and she does contact lenses as well. And whenever I use the lashes, she posts it on her Instagram account. And I was like, yeah, that's me. It was just kind of like weird because I don't know this this lady, really pretty girl, but it was just kind of weird because I was at the hospital and it's like, hey, are you the one on LP Beauty? It's very rare. I think in total I've only been recognized, but I think 4 or 5 times people would be like, do you make YouTube videos? And I don't know them, so it's kind of strange. It's strange to me. And funny enough, a lot of it is from my MAC content. So I haven't used these lashes in a hot minute, and this is what I ended up wearing yesterday to the clinic. They're just the right amount of natural. I mean, as natural as you can make eyelashes to be. And the hairs actually taper at the end, so they mimic natural lashes a little bit better. If you're wondering what these are, they are the Ardell 812s. I gotta go check on my laundry. It's laundry day. Do do do. I didn't get the mascaras. Lucky I can just reach this way and bam, it's hot. It is hot. So Cork lip liner. Oh yeah, baby. And then we're taking Honey Love. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for joining me in this video. A full list of products will be listed down below as always. And if you're interested in any of my other makeup looks, be sure to check me out on Instagram. First link in the description box down below, where I post a photo of all my makeup looks along with all the products in the caption. Till the next video, I hope you all are doing well, taking great care of yourselves. I will see you all next time. Bye, guys. Guys, this is how quickly things change. In house clothes, my hair's up and I'm folding laundry.